What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if you are new here, my name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison. It's the channel name, so welcome. So today I'm going to show you my curly hair routine. Now, I have naturally curly hair. I'm not like super educated on the different types of curls and all that. I really have avoided wearing my hair curly for so many years. I just think that I personally look better with straight hair or like wavy hair, but sometimes, you know, I just get lazy and this takes like 5 minutes versus it usually takes me like an hour to blow dry my hair. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you my really quick and simple way that I style my curly hair. Fresh out of the shower, I have been switching off between two masks. One is a drugstore and one is a higher end mask. The first one is the RawSugar Healing Power Avocado, Banana Oil, Coconut Milk, and Agave hair mask. And I really like this one. I feel like it's a little bit of a lighter texture for a hair mask. I don't feel like really overhydrated, but I still really do like this, especially for the price point. I think this was like $10 at Target and it's like a huge tub. This is one of my all-time favorite hair masks if you want to splurge just a little bit. This is the Kheils Olive Fruit Oil Deeply Reparative Hair Mask. This is great if you have really damaged or dry hair like I do. I have bleached hair, and if you guys know, sometimes like curly hair can tend to be a lot more dry, which is the case for me, and my hair is bleached, so there's a lot of dryness going on. After I get out of the shower, I don't like to towel dry my hair. I usually just throw my hair up in a like oversized cotton t-shirt. This will help with frizz. The fibers from like the cotton towel will kind of rough up that hair cuticle and cause extra frizz. Now, a lot of people who have curly hair will probably say like, don't touch your hair when it's wet. Like, don't brush it. You want to keep that curl pattern. I don't do that. I always go in and brush my hair after the shower, even when I'm like leaving it curly, just because my hair gets very tangled, especially at the ends. Like I said, it's bleached. I like to prevent that as much as possible. So I just go in with the Miracle leave-in product by It's a 10. This is almost gone. I'm using like the last few sprays. Come on. Just applying that mostly just from like the mid shaft to the ends, just so I can comb through it better and I'm not like pulling and tugging on that fragile wet hair. Okay, and I'm just using my wet brush. It's disgusting. I'm not going to show you it. It's very gross. So I've been washing my hair like 1 to 2 times a week. Right now, it is actually pretty greasy. And I can tell like when I'm brushing it through, even when it's wet, like I can feel some of that oil in my hair. I'm not going to do anything with it until my hair is like completely dry. And even when it is curly, I will still use some dry shampoo, but obviously I'm not going to do that until it's completely dried. So the basis of my hair routine when it's curly is just brushing it through, putting some product in it, and then leaving it alone. Like, don't touch it. The more you touch it, the more frizz can happen. Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer. I really like this. Sometimes if I don't want like a super distinct curl, if I just want like a brushed out, like wavy, but slightly more frizzy look, I won't use any product and I'll just let it go. But when I want it to look like actually presentable, I go in with the Aveda Be Curly, about like this much. I feel like that might be a lot, but. And then again, focusing like mid shaft to ends. But I'm also going to flip my hair upside down and like scrunch it upwards like this. Just because I just brushed my hair out, I kind of pulled all of those strands straight, and so this will really help like that curl be revived. So that's pretty much it. At this point, like I won't spend too much time messing with it. I just kind of leave it. As it dries throughout the day, it will kind of just do its thing. I feel like every time I wear my hair curly, it looks completely different, but it's the name of the game. I will check back in with you guys when it's all dried, but for now, super simple, easy routine. It took like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes if I'm not talking. So I will check in with you guys in a little while. What's up, guys? So it is a few hours later and my hair is completely dry. I actually fell asleep on the couch like this, so like this half kind of got flattened a little bit, but this is the finished look. I ended up just spritzing a tiny bit of dry shampoo. This is the Swap Professionals dry shampoo. I really like the way that this one smells. I ended up just spritzing a little bit in the roots just because, like I said, I haven't washed my hair in a few days. Is the finished look. And something else that I like about wearing your hair curly out is that water will basically just like erase a curl and you can redo it. So if you have any like weird spots like right here, this one ended up just being like kind of flat, so I could just re-wet this and then just like it would curl again in a different way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time.